dear customer, this is Anna from Landpack. This video is teaching you how to set for the color code on the printed roller film. Okay, the color code, it is on the back side of the roller film. So from now, we must to unscrew for this to move this photo to align on this black color code on the roll film. So how to setting on the touch screen? Label seek, it is must on, and also your label seek on the alarm set also on. Also, we can go the photo mark cell. It is can be slightly move backward and frontward on the back side. So this is how to setting. Okay, so this video is teaching you how to sell the color code aligned on the photocell. So we need to let it set on, and this mode is on, and press it. This on, so we were setting just for 5 to 6 seconds. Okay, so you can see the red light is on. So we were testing it. This is the final effect of the photocell aligned on the color code. The two lights is on. Thank you.